Hey, welcome back though. Just another day. Worked on the car a little bit today. Ain't do much. Just worked on a little shit. I did shit like I put the old brake booster back in there. I freaking ran back all the brake lines. I just put all the brake lines back. Cause when I delete this brake booster, I'm gonna just take these two lines and I'm gonna get steel braided lines, and I'll just merge these into one, and I'll just use the same little brake line splitter thing right there, whatever the fuck that thing is called. You smell me? And then what I did, I ran the wires through back there for the ECU, and then these wires run in the trunk for the tail lights and stuff. I didn't route these properly because, as you can see, I can't find the little plugs that went in there. I don't know what I did with them. I think they were on the wiring harness. And I might have gave it to the guy that made the wiring harness, and he might have took them off and throw them away. They look just like the one up here. The one right there. They look just like that. So I need those little grommets just to run back through and have this one go into it. I ain't do shit, man. Like, this is still in here. I just throw that back there for now. That's like the ECU and the little... That's the ECU and all the fuse and stuff. As I told y'all in the last video, the fuse box that was right here got deleted, so that's why the fuse is around in the back of the seat right there. But yeah, I'm on like upcoming weeks. I'm gonna pick up the new suspension here. I'll get some little wheels, some rollers for now. I'll probably get some fat tire in the back for a drag setup, but I'm gonna eventually get clean wheels for like show and shit like that. But yeah, for now I'll probably get some wheels off Summit, throw back here some fat tire wheels and shit. You know what I'm saying, like some 15s. Get some 15s put back here with some big tire, probably some 255s. And yeah, I did get the rear tail light. You see it runs. You see it runs up there. Now, these are the plugs that I need. These had wires. You plug and it goes around the wire, and the wire run through them. And the one that went right here also. I'll probably see if I could find them and freaking if I could find those plugs and put them back. If not, for now I'll just run it. I ran the wire back under here where it goes and plug it in for the tail lights and shit like that. I'm hoping to get this motherfucker fired up soon, man. You know what I'm saying? Get the shit cracking. Honestly, to start it, I need these coolant lines, which I'm gonna order. I need the throttle body, which I'm gonna order. I need the fuel pump, which I'm gonna order. Fuel rail and injectors. So those 4 things right there, and I could start it. Then I could take it to get the turbo manifold built. Little shit like that. Certain stuff I'm gonna do right now, like, you know, get like a nice turbo manifold, get a nice turbo, and a nice intercooler, stuff like that. And then, like, little stuff that you see me half-ass, I'm gonna fix later. Like this brake booster, that'll get fixed later. That'll get deleted. I know the paint look half-ass, but that's gonna get painted, obviously. The suspension I had was half-ass. I got rid of that. I'm gonna probably get like just another little decent suspension for now, and then I'll get this shit running. But yeah, that's just the main shit I need to start it, man. Throttle body, fuel pump, injectors, fuel rail, and the coolant lines, and I could start it up. But thanks for watching. Thanks to those of y'all that subscribe and enjoy the build. I know I ain't posting no racing videos in a minute. I used to be all at the little street races and shit like that. It's just that I've been working, I've been busy, new career, shit like that, you know, yada yada yada. Thanks for watching the channel. I know I'm supposed to meet with some people and then look at their cars and shit like that. I just been busy, man. I don't do much. Like, I go to work, I get here, I tinker with the car a bit, and I fall asleep. So right now, you're about to get the video, and by the time this upload, I'll probably be asleep. But appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for subscribing. Come back again and enjoy the car. Enjoy the build. Peace.